Areas of combination of plane figures. This is the third module under the chapter areas related to circles. Here we are not going to study any new formula. Whatever formula we know, same thing we are going to use and work out the problems. If you know how to find out perimeter, area of the circle, then area of a sector, area of a segment, and then length of an arc, if you know how to do all these things, we can go ahead and solve the problems in this module. First problem, find the area of the shaded region in the figure shown if PQ equal to 24 centimeter, PQ, PR equal to 7 centimeters, this is 24, this is 7, and O is the center of the circle, this is the center of the circle. So QR is the diameter. We need to find out the area of the shaded region. Now QR is the diameter of the circle. So the angle subtended by the diameter on the circle is always 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is 24 centimeters, this is 7 centimeters. So we need to calculate QR, that is the diameter, or in this case it is the hypotenuse. QR equal to square root of 24 square plus 7 square, that is equal to square root of 576 plus 49 equal to square root of 625, that is 25. So diameter is 25, therefore radius R equal to 25 divided by 2. Now the shaded region, this and this, the shaded region is area of the semicircle, that is area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area triangle PQR. Area of the semicircle is half into pi. Pi is 22 divided by 7 R square. R square is 25 by 2 into 25 divided by 2 minus area of PQR. This is 90 degrees. So half into base into height. Half into 7 into height. Height is 24. So this is 625 into 11, that is 6875 divided by 7 into 4, that is 28 minus 84. 6875 divided by 28, this comes to 245.5 minus 84. If you subtract this one, you will get 161.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Next problem, find the area of the shaded region in the figure given where the circular arc of radius 6 centimeters, this is 6 centimeters, has been drawn with the vertex O of an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, with side 12 centimeter. We need to find out the entire shaded region. So we can take it like this: area of this equilateral triangle plus area of this sector, this entire major sector. Since this is an equilateral triangle, this angle is 60 degree, so this angle equal to 300 degree. Therefore area of shaded region equal to area of sector of 300 degree plus area of triangle OAB. Now area of the sector is theta. Theta is 300 divided by 360 into pi. Pi is 22 divided by 7 into r. R is given here, radius 6. So into r square, 6 into 6, plus area of this equilateral triangle, that is root 3 divided by 4 into a square. A square is 12 square. 12 into 12. This is 5. This is 6. This 6 cancels here. So 5 into 20 to 110 into 6, 660 divided by 7 plus this is 4, 3 times 36, 36 root 3 is the total area. I'll leave it like this, centimeter square. This is the area of this shaded region. Next problem, in the figure given ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. So this is 14 centimeter. Therefore this radius, this is 7 centimeters. With the centers A, B, C, D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. This region you need to find out. Area of the shaded region equal to area of this square minus 4 into area of this quadrant with 90 degrees. So area of the quadrant. Now area of the quadrant into 4 is nothing but area of circle with radius 7 centimeters. So this one I can replace with the pi into r square. 4 into quadrant is the total circle. Now area of the square of side 14, so 14 into 14 minus pi r square, so it is 196 minus pi 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cancels, so it is 196 minus 154, that is 242 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Next problem. Figure given depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. This is 60 meter, and they are each 106 meter long. The straight portion is 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, this is the track 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge and area of the track. First, distance of the inner edge of the track, that is equal to the walking distance from this point on this, you walk, come back to the same point again, 106 here, same 106 here also, it is 106 into 2, then semicircular here and also here, so it is one full circle of radius 30 meters. So perimeter of the circle with the radius 30 meters. So it is plus 2 into pi. Pi is 22 divided by 7 into r. R is 30. It is 212 plus 44 into 30, that is 1320 divided by 7 with 7 as the LCM. This is 1484 plus 1320, that is equal to 2804 divided by 7, so many meters. That is the length of the track on the inner edge. One complete round if you do on this edge, that will be the distance, 2804 divided by 7 meters. Now area of the track, this portion is a rectangular portion of 106 into 10. Same thing here, one more. Then if you combine this portion with this is a circular portion, or you can call it as a circular ring with the inner diameter of 30 meters and outer diameter of 40 meters. So total area equal to total area of the track. First the straight portion, that is equal to 2 into length. Length is 106 into breadth, it is 10, plus area of this semicircular portion, that is pi r square outer radius, that is 40 square minus pi 30 square. This comes to 212 plus, I will take pi out, that is 22 divided by 7. This is 40 square minus 30 square. You can write as a square minus b square, that is a plus b. A plus b is 40 plus 30, that is 70, into a minus b, that is 10. So this is 10. So it becomes 2120 plus 2200. So overall area is 4320 meter square. This is the total area of the track. Next problem, fifth problem. Area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as the center, a circle is drawn with the radius equal to half the length of the side. So the radius of this is half the length of the side of this equilateral triangle. Find the area of the shaded region, this region. Area of this shaded region can be calculated this way. First find out the total area of this equilateral triangle. Then subtract 3 sectors of 60 degree each. This is a 60 degree sector. You have such 3 sectors, 1, 2, 3. So area of the triangle minus 3 into this sector area, that gives this shaded area. But first we don't know the radius of this circle. So first we need to find out the radius of the circle, which is half of the length of the side of this equilateral triangle. So we know the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of triangle is 17320.5 centimeter square. Let the side length be A, AB, BC, AC. The length of these sides be A. Area of the equilateral triangle can be also written as root 3 divided by 4 into A square. This is equal to 17320.5. Now root 3 value is given, that is 1.73205. 1.73205 divided by 4 into A square equal to 17320.5. Therefore A square equal to 17320.5 divided by 1.73205 into 4. This is 1 2 3 4. This is ones, this is 10,000, or 10,000 can be written as 100 square into 4 can be written as 2 square. Therefore A equal to square root of this 100 into 2 equal to 200 centimeter. Radius of this circle R equal to A by 2, 200 divided by 2 is 100 centimeter. That is the radius. Now let us find out the area of the shaded region. Therefore area of the shaded region equal to area of triangle minus 3 times area of the sectors. Area of the triangle that is given, that is 17320.5 minus 3 times area of the sector. This angle is 60, so it is 60 divided by 360 into I has to be taken as 3.14 into R square. R square is 100 into 100. This is 6 is equal to 17320.5 minus 3 into, if you simplify this entire thing, you will get 5233.3. 5233.3, that is equal to 17320.5 minus 1570.0. If you subtract this, you will get 1620.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Next problem. In the figure given, a square OABC, this is square, is inscribed in a quadrant. This is a quadrant. QOP is a quadrant. Now if OA side of the square is 20 centimeters, find the area of the shaded region. Now area of the shaded region is area of the quadrant minus area of the square. Now radius of this quadrant, this R, that is OB is equal to square root of 20 square plus 20 square, that is equal to square root of 2 into 400. Therefore OB equal to 20 root 2. Therefore area of the quadrant equal to, this angle is 90 degree, so it is 90 divided by 360, theta divided by 60 into pi 3.14 into R square. R is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. This is 4, this is 5, so this is 3.14 into root 2 into root 2, 2 into 5, 10 into 20, 200. This is 628 centimeter square. Area of the square equal to 20 into 20 equal to 400 cm square. Therefore, area of shaded region equal to area of the quadrant, that is 628, minus area of the square, that is 400, equal to 228 centimeter square. Problem number 7. In the figure given, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. This is a quadrant ABC and the radius is AC, that is 14 centimeter. And the semicircle is drawn on BC. On this hypotenuse, you can take this as a center, this is a semicircle. Now find the area of the shaded region. How to find out the area of the shaded region? If you consider this quadrant, we can find out the area of this segment, that is area of this sector minus area of this triangle is this area. Then you find out the area of this semicircle. From that you subtract this area of the segment, you will get the shaded area. First let us calculate the area of this quadrant first. We take this point as D, this point as E. So area of the quadrant is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta, this is a quadrant, so it is 90 degree, divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into r is 14 into 14, r square, not r. So this is 4, 11, 2 times 7, 7, 7 cancel. So 11 into 14, that is 154 centimeter square. This is the area of this entire quadrant. Now let us find out the area of this angle. Area angle ABC is a right angle triangle, so it's half into 14 into 14, so 7 times 98 centimeter square. That is area of the triangle. Therefore, area of this segment BDC, therefore area of the segment BDC equal to 154 minus 98 is equal to 56 centimeter square. That is the area of this segment. Now let us calculate the area of this semicircle. For that, first we need to find out this. This is the diameter. Now this is 14, this is 14. So BC equal to the diameter of the semicircle, BC equal to square root of 14 square plus 14 square. So this is equal to square root of 14 square into 2, or BC equal to 14 root 2. Therefore radius R equal to 14 root 2 divided by 2 equal to 7 root 2. Therefore area of semicircle is equal to half into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 cancel out each other. Here 2 11 times. 11 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 7 14. So this is 154 centimeter square. This is the area of the semicircle. So area of the semicircle is 154 centimeter square. Area of this quadrant is 56. So area of this shaded region is, therefore area of the shaded region is equal to area of the semicircle, that is 154 centimeter square, minus area of the segment, that is 56. So if you subtract this one, you get 98 centimeter square, that is the area of the shaded region. Last problem, calculate the area of the designed region in the figure shown, common between the two quadrants of the circle of radius 8 centimeter each. So all 8 centimeters. Let us name this as A, B, C, D. You have to find out this region. Let me draw a line here, AC. Now let me first find out this half region here. Half region, that area of the quadrant minus area of this triangle, I will get half the portion of the shaded area into 2 will give the entire area. Therefore shaded area equal to 2 into area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant is theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus area of this triangle, that is half into 8 into 8, because this is a right angle triangle. If I take this as the base, this is the height. So it is 2 into theta, this is 90 degree for this quadrant, this angle is 90 degree, 90 divided by 360 into pi, pi is 22 divided by 7 into r square, 8 into 8 minus, this is 432. So that is equal to 2 into, this is once, this is 4 times, 8 into 2, 16, 22 into 16, 32, 32 plus 3, 352 divided by 7 minus 32, or this is equal to 2 into 7 is the LCM, 352 minus 7 2s are 14, 224, 2 into, this is 358, 2 1 divided by 7, this is 256 divided by 7 centimeter square is the total area of this shaded region. With this we complete this chapter, area related to circles.